Did my thumbnail make you click on the video? Answer yes or no in the comment section below. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell, and I'll keep sending you awesome videos to get those views. My name is Anthony Ambriz, and right now I'm getting more views than channels with thousands of subscribers. Hit the like button and I'll show you how to do the same thing. Creating thumbnails is hard. It really is. It takes graphic design skills, Photoshop skills, photography skills, just plain skills. But don't let the lack of skills discourage you from creating thumbnails that'll increase your CTR, your click through rate. Meaning, when someone sees your thumbnail, they click on it and watch the video. Here's my ultimate YouTube custom thumbnail checklist for this year. A quick special shout out and thanks to my mentor Jeremy Vest and his Facebook group, Mastering Thumbnails. If you want to join that group, check the link in the description. The most important tip that I can share with you to create effective YouTube thumbnails is this. Shoot or find a high quality image of yourself or the subject of attention in your video. Now, if that means hiring a photographer, make the investment. If that means signing up to a stock image site, make the investment. Now, here are a few things to consider when getting the perfect image for your thumbnail. Are you visually telling a story that represents your video? Are you showing some sort of action? Is the image of the person in the thumbnail have a close-up shot of their eyes? Is it expressing excitement or some other form of emotion? It all starts with the image. Next, decide if you're gonna use text in your thumbnail. If not, I give you permission to skip ahead to the next tip. But I know you wanna say something. YouTube thumbnail tip number 2. When using text in your thumbnail, make sure the font is simple and easy to read. Not only that, don't just repeat the title of your video. Say something that stands out. And keep it brief, no more than 3 to 4 words max. Again, make sure that it's easy to read and make it large enough for people to see. Bonus tip. Make sure to avoid putting anything important on the right side of the thumbnail. YouTube tends to add certain overlays to your thumbnail when someone hovers over it. YouTube thumbnail hack number 3. Keep your branding consistent. Whether that's done via logo, the colors you use, repeated elements like shapes, icons, look and feel, background, etc. Make it so your video thumbnails have some consistency, and it's easy to identify your video from other creators' videos on YouTube. Here's the YouTube custom thumbnail secret you might be missing. Make your thumbnail colorful, have it pop, make it sharp, up the contrast, up the saturation. Make it stand out from the rest, but after all is said and done, keep it simple. And feel free to break the rules and test things out. Recap. Start with a high quality image. Decide if you want to use text and make sure you can read that text. Develop your brand and be consistent. And finally, make sure it stands out. A perfect example of someone who embodies this is my good friend, Roberto Blake. Not only that, he's created an awesome resource to help you get started. Get this YouTube starter kit that includes 70 plus YouTube thumbnail templates, 100 plus fonts, and not only that, but hundreds of other templates and resources like music, content ideas, and more. Check the description below to go get that. I've used this starter kit for myself and for my clients. Now next week, I'm going to be talking about how to create YouTube titles that rank and get clicks. So watch that video. Subscribe and click the bell if you haven't, because you got about 10 seconds left to do it. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.